So let me see. I need a branch. Okay, use any one of them. Okay, like, one sec. There's something called Atlas. Okay, let's use this one only quickly. I'm reducing this thing. I explain this software also. This is a free software, free tool. I'll explain this. This is free with Quixel. I guess I already said to install this thing, so it will become very easy for you to like texture and everything. So now you can see I have albedo map, I have alpha map and normal map. So let me create a material. So go and open the map, drag drop your albedo to diffuse, your opacity to your opacity map. So you can see instantly looks transparent, and normal, okay, normal is not required. So I'll just select this and apply this one, this thing here, and switch on your preview. So now you can see clearly all these leaves, right? Transparent. It's just a plane, but you can see everything. So what I'll do
Yes,
is
sir.
polygon. Now I will create like cut these shapes, or I can use UV also. So this is what I prefer. I go here and like, okay, where is my edit? Swift loop. So I'll just add a loop here and another loop here. So basically, I'm planning to separate all of them. So face, I select and detach. Select this, detach. So I'm going to show this on only two of them. Rest delete, so that you will
Yes, sir.
understand. So I have like two different planes. See clearly two different planes now, and we have this texture. So I want to create that like leaf, all those leaf and branch and everything. So suppose this is my branch. I select this, make sure it's like it's aligned properly. So I'll align it like this from wherever my branch is starting point of my branch. So it become easy for me to control. Now, so I'll create the basic shape here only. Forget about this. I'll hide this one. Hide selection. I have this leaf branch. So rotation, shift, rotate. I can copy it. Little angle change. Then select all three, or I can just simply like attach them together. So I have one geometry now. Rotation again. So you can see like now all the leaves are there. So I can create like one more rotation, change the angle. So two I have created. So now you can see all the leaves. Only thing I have to do is go to material, make sure it's two-sided. That's it. Now you have all this and attach them again. together. Everything is attached. Now to create a variation, what I can do, I can reduce some planes, like scale down, like this one, reduce it, increase it. So I'm just creating variation now. So you can see I have created this entire bunch, and if I want, I can definitely make it little denser. See, I can make it little denser if I want, and then attach it with the other one geometry, and then this is like created in one direction. So like it's a 360 direction. If you want, you can create a one direction and then place it here and create the branch and place it here. Like suppose it's here, left view. Here is by this thing. I'll create a spline line. Done. There is a taper option. I don't understand for why I can't see it. Sides, angles, cap. No, not that. That option is not there. There is a taper option. I don't know why it's not here. Okay, anyways, polygon. It's not there. I don't know why it's not there. It should be there. It's like a one taper option. Okay, anyways, like the same thing I can do again. I can select my polygon or vertex, these vertex, and go to soft selection and switch it on, increase the fall off, reduce it. And if you like overall you want to reduce it, you can definitely do it like thin branch. So place it wherever you want to place, and then place this one like this. I can just create one bunch, two, three bunch, and then repeat. Right now I have used only one texture and one plane. You can use multiple planes, multiple textures, and create this entire thing. So it will become super easy, super nice, and high detailed. If you zoom in, you can see everything is clean, clear, and visible from all the angles.
Yes, sir.
Right, so similar manner you can basically you have to create a alpha is basically the selection you want to, that the part you want to make it visible, that part should be white, and rest everything should be black. Like all black means not visible, white means visible. So it can be a leaf, can be a fence, can be a texture, can be a piece of cloth, can be anything. So similar manner, so all these small leaves or all these things, use a alpha and create it. Basically one texture, one plane, and create this thing. That's how we do it.
Yes, sir.
No,
Sir, I have sent you the OBJ file also, sir.
yes, you have sent me a OBJ file. Just give me a second.
Yes, sir.
Okay, done.
Um,
Okay.
so I don't know why it's looking like that, sir, because in my it's not looking like that. All the normals are correct, sir.
The normals are correct. Only thing is the shading issue. So basically, when you exported this, it's basically become a this thing. You see double face. See,
Yes, sir.
see.
Because I did the STL check and only problem was the roof, sir, which you just created. So that only there was some problem. No other problems were there, sir.
So you can say like you can, which version of Max you are using?
2022, sir.
Or 22. I'm using 2020. Just give me a second. I'll import it. Okay, no triangle, irritable poly. Okay, this is your model. So here I can see clearly there is a geometry issue. There's an issue.
Why is it happening like that? So because in my all the traces are clean, sir. There is nothing like this.
But it's not your geometry have error, geometry issue. Like it's not either your vertex are not snapped together or it's not welded together. All those issues are there. That's why your model is like is this entire mesh. What I can see, it's all wrong. One sec, I'll just re-import again.
So can I share the screen, sir?
Yes, just give me a second. Yeah, still the same.
Yes, sir. Just a
Okay,
second. So I
show
will
me. Show me your
share.
screen. Can share a screen. Let's see.
So it's saying that
Oh, that
uh,
Acha, you cannot share it. Okay, just one second. Huh, now you can share it. I activated.
sir, please stop sharing. So,
Hmm.
sir, please stop sharing
Acha, I
because
stop. I stop. Yes, yes. Otherwise, you won't be able to share it. Yes.
is it visible, sir?
Yes, I can see it. So here it looks clean. Select your model. So here also I can see that clearly. If there's an issue. Roof also there's a problem. Select this building. Next that wall. This one. Next. No, right side, right side. Hmm. So here you can see you have selected polygon. Collapse it, your STL check. Right click, collapse all. Yes. It's mesh, convert to polygon. Now select the model. Face mode is fine. So here I can see some issues is there. It's visible. And side wall, click on the side wall. Here also you can see double sided. It's a duplicate mesh. See, it's flickering, clearly visible. And because it's basically it's what is happening from one software to another software, changing. Maybe in my case, it's creating this thing like it's already like combined. Basically, in your geometry, it's combined. Those faces are duplicate. So mesh is all wrong. So what you can do, you can like you have sent me the file, right? So I'll cross check it and I'll mark you all the problems. So you can just fix it. Okay, so I can see clearly if there
Yes,
is.
sir. But I don't know, sir, how this happened because I created it very neatly, so I considered everything, sir.
Okay, no problem. Problem things happen, so it's okay. I'll cross check it, and whatever issue I'll mention that, so you just can fix it, because I can see it's clearly it's double-sided faces and all these issues. It's like overlapping with this. Maybe inside there is one more box or something that's combined with this. Something happened here. Here also double. Everything is double. It's flickering. So I guess accidentally you have duplicated the entire model. See?
What should I do now, sir?
So I'll check your model. I'll like try to fix, like try to remove all double faces and everything. See, everything is double. So easiest way, go to element mode and separate your elements. Select this and separate this, or delete this entire thing. Delete the entire thing. Okay, see,
Oh,
you
yes,
can
sir.
see double.
Yes, sir.
This is the problem. So there are issues. So make sure clean everything, like check everything, because there is a issue. There's all these problems are like wrong geometry. So geometry
Yes.
cannot be like this. Try to create a solid geometry, like extrude it from one part, and like building you can keep it separate. All those small pots you can keep it separate, but main walls and all those things keep extrude it from one part. So right now it's like one box or something. Right now it's all like so many different parts. That's just you're getting confused.
Yes, sir. But now, is it clean, sir? Because now it's not flickering
Now
anymore.
it's now previous it was double. Now it's not double.
Yes, sir. And I created this all with one, and then this one, sir.
Like the process is fine. Only thing is a double geometry. That was the main
Yes, sir.
problem. So that double geometry, delete that, and like the front side of the back side of that wall can create it separately.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll just mark attendance. Just give me a second.
Yes, sir. I'll stop sharing, sir.
Yeah.
Yes. Sir, I
Yes.
had submitted it to sir.
Okay, submitted. Okay, I'll check it. You have submitted in week which one? Where? The Moodle
Sir, through mail, sir. Like, mail, sir.
or mail? Okay, just give me a second. I'll just check that.
Yes, sir.
Uh,
Okay, sir.
just give me a second. Mail. But where is, I cannot see. I haven't received any mail.
Um, Hold on, sir. I'll
Yeah.
just check when did I send it. Sir, on 21st of April, sir.
Once 21st April. Oh, yes.
Yes.
Max. You have submitted one FBX and one Max file. So you're using Max, which
Yes, sir.
version? Which version?
2021, sir.
2021. I won't be able to open, so I'll download the FBX. Just give me a minute.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Saved desktop. Uh, okay, something. It's fine. I guess it's the scaling thing.
I think so, sir. Like here, it looks
No,
clean,
it's fine.
sir,
No,
but
it's fine.
for
It's
some
fine.
reason out there, it's coming like.
It's basically a scaling because of scaling only. So this mesh.
Got it, sir.
Okay. Like for this, I believe you have created a texture already.
Yes, sir. Made like alpha map and all, sir.
Alpha
It's
map.
the leaves, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So because without alpha, it looks like really weird. So with this, so
Yes, sir.
otherwise it looks kind of fine. Let me see. It looks fine, like geometry wise. I can see it looks decent. All shape and everything is there, and that will create a brick and duplicate everything. So automatically everything will be solved.
Yes,
And I can see shop. And I guess there is a door and there is a cupboard or something is there store. So that okay, that can
yes,
be
sir. There is, sir.
most of things. Okay, nice. Okay. Oh, this how I forgot to create this. Yes, this I need to create. Yeah, this looks fine. This looks absolutely fine. No problem.
Yes, sir.
So import this into Unreal and start lighting everything basic, and we start texturing also. So
Okay, sir.
anyways, we have finished our model, and we basic lighting also have done in Unreal. So we'll start texturing it properly, nicely. We'll do that.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and we'll use Substance
Okay.
for that. So yeah, so like any like if you have faced any issue, any problem, definitely you can get back to me. I'll solve it. And like yes, like, finish model
Yes.
looks kind of fine. Okay, this is fine. This light is fine. This is also fine. Oh, this is way too dense. This one is like really dense.
Oh,
If possible, optimize it. This is like way too
yes,
dense.
sir. I remember, sir. Those vertices.
No, it's like way too
Yes.
dense. Otherwise, let's see. Like this is something okay. It's like fast environment for you, so it's okay. It's fine. So usually we optimize this also. Like it's fine as of now. And
Yes.
so, like this thing. Make sure it touches the rope.
Yes, sir.
It should not float. That's the only thing.
Got
Um,
it, sir.
yeah. Okay. Rest looks nice and fine. Yeah, it looks fine. Okay, you have
Yes, sir.
created a garbage this thing, but it looks symmetrical from all the direction,
Ah,
right? It looks like a
yes, sir.
modak. It doesn't look like garbage bag. So,
Yes.
this is something you can
Uh,
modify.
yes, sir. I'll just pull some vertices here and there,
Yes,
sir.
like make it little uneven, like because garbage is a garbage bag, so it will have a random shape. So it cannot be like this
Yes.
kind of symmetrical and nice this round volume, right? So this is
Yes,
something.
sir.
Yeah, rest looks fine. This geometry it's not connected.
Yes, sir. I haven't connected it yet, sir. I should have.
This is the n-gon. So that is something to
Yes.
fix. So check, make sure there is no n-gons. And overall, I can see it looks fine only. There is I cannot see anything. It's flickering. That means these two faces are really close. So what you can do, like pull it slightly up or maybe
Yes.
slightly down. So make sure there's no flickering.
Yes, sir.
That is something you have to check. Rest it looks fine. Otherwise, it looks fine. It looks fine and clean. Oh, you have created the blade also. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Because I haven't created this. I was planning to do it in texture. Okay. This looks fine.
Yes.
Only my only concern. Let me see 1 second. My only concern is like this is like way too dense.
Yes, sir.
So this is also we can optimize.
Got it, sir.
So optimization, that's the only problem. Only your model is done. Only thing is optimization. You have to optimize like wherever you can optimize, optimize it. Rest looks fine.
Yes, sir.
This is fine. This is fine. This will work. Okay, I'll update the this thing. Let's give me a second. Yeah, update attendance.
Yes.
204.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
I will finish my model as
Yes,
soon as
yes.
possible, sir.
Like finish your model as soon as possible and like pay really close attention. Make sure there is no error in the geometry. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So if you have any doubt, you can get back to me. You can send me the file. Like you can send me this thing. So we'll discuss everything and fix everything.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay then. I'll see you guys.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Welcome.
Yes. Thank you, sir.